Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. The sun is yellow. Again. The sun is yellow. Your turn to read, children. The apple is red. Again. The apple is red. Your turn to read, children. The sky is blue. Again. The sky is blue. Your turn to read, children. My dress is pink. Again. My dress is pink. Your turn to read, children. The cloud is white. Again. The cloud is white. Your turn to read, children. The leaf is green. Again. The leaf is green. Your turn to read, children. The egg is brown. Again. The egg is brown. Your turn to read, children. The watermelon is green. Again. The watermelon is green. Your turn to read, children. The flower is pink. Again. The flower is pink. Your turn to read, children. My bag is blue. Again. My bag is blue. Your turn to read, children. The eggplant is purple. Again. The eggplant is purple. Your turn to read, children. The banana is yellow. Again. The banana is yellow. Your turn to read, children. My hair is black. Again. My hair is black. Your turn to read, children. The star is yellow. Again. The star is yellow. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. The sun is yellow. The apple is red. The sky is blue. My dress is pink. The cloud is white. The leaf is green. The egg is brown. The watermelon is green. The flower is pink. My bag is blue. The eggplant is purple. The banana is yellow. My hair is black. The star is yellow. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lessons.